You won't believe what goes on behind the scenes on a cruise ship. Things your cabin steward desperately wishes you'd never do. Whether you've sailed before or not, these secrets will change how you think about cruising forever. Ready to hear them? On number 14, entering rooms before they're ready. You walk into your cabin only to find your steward mid-cleaning, flustered and juggling a vacuum, fresh linens, and your unexpected arrival. Many guests think it's okay to pop in the second the door is unlocked, but this disrupts the steward's schedule completely, especially on embarkation day when turnaround time is insanely tight. It's not just awkward, it creates real stress. Cabin crews work with precision. One early guest can throw off their rhythm for the entire hallway. Some even have to start a room over if the guest moves luggage in too soon. Tip: wait for the official announcement or green light from the crew before entering. Respect their rhythm, and you'll walk into a freshly prepared room just as they intended. Number 13. Flushing forbidden items. Cruise ship toilets aren't like the ones at home. They use a sensitive vacuum-based system, and it only takes one wrong flush to cause a full-on plumbing emergency. Flushable wipes? Not really flushable. Sanitary products, cotton swabs, and even plastic items can clog the entire line, affecting cabins across multiple decks. Real case. A cruise in 2022 experienced delays because guests flushed beer cans and wipes, leading to thousands of dollars in repairs. Tip: only flush the ship-provided toilet paper and human waste. Everything else? Use the bin. Your steward and your fellow cruisers will thank you. Number 12. Spilling drinks in the cabin or balcony. One splash of fruit punch on the balcony and guess what? It might drip onto someone else's swimsuit hanging below. Worse, sugary spills invite bugs and leave stains that are hard to clean. Your steward ends up scrubbing sticky residue out of carpets or furniture instead of finishing their room quota on time. On some ships, spilled drinks seep into wood or fabric finishes, causing permanent damage. Tip: be careful with open drinks. If you do spill something, just tell the staff. Trying to clean it with a towel or pretending it didn't happen. That only makes it harder for everyone. Most crews will handle it quickly if you let them know early. Number 11. Hovering and asking. When will my room be ready? Constantly asking about your cabin's readiness actually delays its readiness. Stewards are on a tight cleaning schedule, 20 to 25 rooms per person, and repeated interruptions throw off their workflow. Some guests even hover in the hallway or peek in every few minutes, adding pressure and stress. It creates an uncomfortable dynamic and slows everything down, not just for your room, but for the entire deck. Tip: go explore the ship, grab lunch, hit the deck, take a deep breath. Your room will be ready, and it'll be better for everyone if you're not standing over the mop bucket. Patience pays off in cleanliness. Number 10. Not reporting broken things. Some guests wait days before telling anyone about that flickering light, clogged drain, or jammed toilet. By the time stewards find out, it becomes a last-minute emergency. That's especially tough during room turnover when every second counts. Worse, guests often assume someone else will report it, but it ends up unaddressed until it becomes a crisis. Tip: the second you notice a problem, let your steward or guest services know. It's not a complaint, it's a favor to everyone, including the next guest. Early reporting helps maintenance staff fix the issue without panic and allows the crew to keep things running smoothly. Number 9. Leaving wet towels everywhere. It might not seem like a big deal, but wet towels on beds, chairs, or carpets cause major problems. Moisture can seep through furniture, cause stains, or even drip through balconies. It also creates a breeding ground for mold in humid environments. And no, stepping over a soggy towel on the carpet isn't fun for anyone, especially your steward trying to tidy up. It adds time, laundry, and sometimes furniture replacement to their already full workload. Tip: want a towel replaced? Leave it in the tub or on the floor. Want it to dry for later use? Hang it in the bathroom. Simple. This little habit keeps your room fresher and your steward happier. Number 8. Being rude or ignoring stewards. A smile and a thank you might seem small, but to a cabin steward, it means the world. Guests who walk by without eye contact or treat staff like invisible cleaners chip away at morale. On the other hand, kind guests often find little extras waiting in their rooms. Extra towels, surprise towel animals, you name it. A little kindness can lead to exceptional service. True story, some stewards remember the names of their kindest guests for years. One cruise guest got nightly surprises after simply asking the steward about his family and saying, "Thank you," each morning. Tip: want a better cruise experience? Treat your steward like a human being, not a housekeeping robot. Use their name if you know it. That 5-second gesture could brighten their entire shift, and yours too. Number 7. Hiding damage or messes. It happens more than you'd think. Guests break something or make a mess, then try to hide it. Maybe a wine glass gets shattered, and instead of reporting it, the shards get shoved under the bed, or a makeup spill gets concealed by folding it into a towel. The problem? Cabin stewards always find it, and by then the damage may be worse or more dangerous. Tip: don't stress over accidents. Reporting a mess or broken item won't get you in trouble. In fact, being honest helps the crew fix things quickly and safely without risking injury. Number 6. Reusing dirty cups or plates. This one's not just annoying, it's a hygiene nightmare. Cruise ships follow strict health and sanitation codes. When guests reuse glasses for different drinks, or worse, for rinsing after brushing their teeth, it breaks protocol. Stewards are forced to replace everything anyway, often with added stress of wondering what's been contaminated. It also slows them down, because they have to track what's been used, sanitize surfaces, and notify laundry or kitchen services to restock the cabin. Tip: if you're out of cups or need more, just ask. Don't stash one cup for your coffee, soda, and mouthwash all day. Your steward won't judge. They'll actually appreciate it, and they're more than happy to bring you clean extras. Number 5. Using white towels for makeup or sunblock. This is a nightmare in the laundry room. Guests use the ship's bright white towels to wipe off foundation, hair dye, tanning lotion, even mascara. These stains are often impossible to remove, and when they can't be cleaned, they're thrown out. Guess who gets questioned first? Yep, the steward. Tip: bring your own dark-colored cloths or makeup remover pads. Some ships provide black washcloths on request. Use those for your beauty routine instead of staining a $15 towel every day. Number 4. Demanding complex towel animals. Towel animals are a fun cruise tradition, but some guests take it way too far. They make special requests like, "Can I get a monkey hanging from the ceiling?" or "Do you know how to make a giraffe with sunglasses?" While it seems harmless, remember, stewards are responsible for cleaning up to 25 cabins a day. True fact, each towel animal takes 5 to 10 minutes to make. Multiply that by special requests, and it eats into time meant for cleaning, replacing linens, and resetting rooms. Tip: enjoy the surprises. Don't treat towel animals like a menu of requests. It's not towel origami school. Number 3. Leaving the Do Not Disturb sign all day. Think of the Do Not Disturb sign as a locked door for stewards. Even if they see you leave your room, they can't legally or ethically enter while the D&D sign is up. Many guests hang it up out of habit and then later complain that their room wasn't cleaned. Tip: if you're heading out for the day and want fresh towels or a clean cabin, remove the sign before you leave. It's that simple. Number 2. Locking themselves on the balcony. Yes, it happens. Guests step out onto their private balcony for a photo or a smoke. Then the wind blows the door shut behind them. And unlike your hotel back home, there's no simple hallway escape. Stewards have to call security, sometimes climb in from the next room, and deal with an unnecessary rescue situation. Embarrassing detail, some guests are stuck in their towels, or worse, for over an hour until help arrives. Tip: always wedge the balcony door open slightly or take your keycard and phone with you. Better safe than sorry or sunburned. Number 1. Folding used towels. This might seem like the polite thing to do, but for stewards, it's actually a big problem. When guests neatly fold used towels and place them back on racks, it's impossible to tell if they're clean or not. That means stewards either have to replace everything, wasting laundry loads, or risk rehanging dirty towels. It also adds stress during busy turnover hours when speed and accuracy matter most. Plus, rewashing clean towels unnecessarily wastes water, detergent, and energy, something cruise lines are working hard to reduce. Tip: want to help? Just toss used towels in the tub or on the floor. That's the clearest signal that it needs to be replaced. It's simple, quick, and helps keep the system efficient. So, how many of these cabin sins are you guilty of? Don't worry, we've all made a few of these mistakes. But now that you know what really drives your cabin steward crazy, your next cruise can be smoother for everyone on board. If this helped you learn something new or saved you from an embarrassing cruise fail, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Got your own cruise secrets or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you want more behind-the-scenes travel tips like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Happy cruising, and be nice to your steward. They just might leave you the coolest towel animal ever.